I am YUSOF binti Ahmad Razi, matric number F1064. And now I am going to explain to you about like operator. Okay, like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column, which means to search for a specified words or alphabet in a column. There are two wildcards used in conjunction with the like operator, which is the percent sign and the underscore sign. Okay, the percent sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters, and underscore sign represents 1 and single character. Okay, we are going to use this table to show you how to use like operator. Okay. First, this is the object browser. Okay, now I'm going to go to the SQL command. SQL commands. Okay, type your commands here. Okay, sekarang saya akan menunjukkan contoh menggunakan like operator using percent wildcards. Okay, sekarang saya akan menunjukkan contoh like operator using percent wildcard. Okay, select staff name. Select ni kita letak select ni untuk kita select column. Column apa yang kita nak show from what table. Contoh macam I punya table staff. Where ni, where you punya column you. Contoh macam you nak showkan alphabet. Okay, alphabet where column apa. Contoh macam I guna staff name. Where staff name like C%. C% maknanya any staff name yang start with C. Okay, sekarang kita akan run untuk tengok dia punya output dia. Okay, ditunjuk Claire dan Clark. So this is the two staff name which start with C. Okay, untuk yang ni I show staff name je. You boleh je show untuk the whole table. Okay, for example, you just select star. Select star ni maknanya dia akan show semua. Dia akan show all the staff name, staff ID and all that. Okay, sekarang kita akan tengok contoh dia. See, staff ID, staff name, designation, salary, hire date and age. So dia akan show two rows which contain staff name yang start with C. Okay, next kita akan buat next example. Okay, select staff. Where staff ID. Okay, sekarang I akan ambil example 9. Okay, 9. So maknanya sini select staff ID. Maknanya I akan show staff ID sahaja from table staff. Where staff ID, where di mana kolom tu like percent 9. So maknanya yang end with 9. Staff ID yang ending di 9. Okay, sekarang kita tengok run. Okay, dia akan tunjuk sini 3 kolom yang staff ID end dengan nombor 9. Okay, 999. Okay, ini contoh coding untuk menggunakan underscore wildcard. Okay, select star which means select all column from table staff where age. Sekarang I akan tunjuk contoh age like underscore 8. Underscore 8 ni maksud dia any number yang end with 8, end with 8 dah. Okay, so satu reminder, underscore wildcard ni dia boleh untuk one single character je. So maknanya satu huruf ataupun satu number je. Okay, contoh macam age ni dia ada 2 tau. So kita nak cari satu ni je, depan ni je. Depan ni je. So kita cari yang ending dia 8. So kita akan run, dia akan tunjukkan contoh staff yang age dia ending with 8. Kita akan run. Okay, see, age 48 dan 38. So dia tunjuk dua contoh ni. Okay, next contoh I akan buat like underscore. Okay, I nak tunjuk ada seorang staff name ni, M underscore A D D E N. Okay, so dia akan show nanti bila dia akan show staff name yang dia nama dia yang almost macam ni, dan tengah-tengah ni dia up to the table. Dia ada nama, dia ada data, dia ada data siapa yang nama macam tu. Okay kan. Okay, here you can see Madam. Okay, contohlah kan dalam table I ni dia ada Madam, ada Mitten, ada Madden. So dia akan show lah semua benda tu, asalkan dekat dia punya nama tu ada M D D E N. M unknown word D D E N. So dia akan show any nama yang macam tu lah. Contoh macam dalam table I ni dia ada Madden, so dia akan show Madden. Okay, ni contoh underscore punya wildcard. Okay, sekarang saya akan menunjukkan cara menggunakan not operator dalam like. Okay, select designation. Select designation ni select column name yang kita akan show from table staff, where designation, where di mana kolom yang kita nak choose dia yang not like ampersand, maknanya yang tidak dimulakan dengan M. Faham tak? Yang mana designation dia yang tak start pada M. So dia akan output dia akan show designation yang selain daripada start with M. So bila kita run, okay, dia akan show ni President, Analyst, Salesman. Okay, contoh kalau you nak show all the column, so let's start run. Okay, here as you can see President, Analyst. Okay, designation kan where designation. Okay, designation dia yang tak start pada M. So kat sini tak ada yang start pada M. Kita tunjuk yang dia akan show yang selain daripada M. Okay, next contoh kita akan buat salary lah. Salary not like okay, yang tak start daripada nama. Okay, ni contoh dia. Select all table. Select all, maknanya dia akan show all column from table staff, where salary, di mana kolom salary yang tak dimulakan, yang mana salary dia tak start daripada nombor 2. Okay, kita kan. Okay, you can see here salary dia ni 6,000, 3,100, tak ada pun yang start daripada 2 kan. Okay, kita dah sampai dekat penghujung dia. Okay, kesimpulan dia dalam like operator, dia ada dua main dia, which is percent wildcard dengan underscore wildcard. So dah ada anak dia, dah anak seorang pula. Dia ada satu lagi operator, iaitu not operator, not like operator. I hope you understand what I have been explained to you. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. I am Nurul Atila binti Putra with matrix number 13DDT19F1071. And now, I'll present my part, which is I got the second one, the order by command. Okay, so this is the table that I just created. So now, the first command for the sort by, I will show you how to sort the staff name based on their age. So this is the command which I run. Select staff name and age. This is the two column that required from staff table and order by age ascending. Right? So here it is. It sort the youngest employee from the top and the oldest employee on the bottom. Look, Madden is the youngest and Kaling is the oldest. So this is the command. Okay, for your second command, I will show you. I'll show you that we pick from the staff name by order. So this is the command. We select from the staff table. Order by staff name, which I run. Okay, here's the result. As you can see, staff name start with A, then B, C, F, J, K, M, S, S. So this is the already sort by list. Start with A, Adeline. Okay. For the third command, I'll show you order by salary descending. So this is the command for order by salary descending. Shall I run? Okay. This is the salary for the staff. Start from 6,000 and last with 1,350. Okay, we can just change the descending to ascending. Ascending, change that and run. And now the salary is start with 1,350 and last with 6,000. Okay, so the fourth command is about staff name and hire date. The longest staff will be at the top. So this is the command: select staff name, hire date from staff, and order by staff name ascending and hire date descending, which I run. So as you can see here, the result, the oldest staff will be on the top, Adeline, start working since 1991, and the newest worker is the Scarlett, and her hire date is on 1997. So that's all the command for sort by from me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kritika and I'm from Krishnan. I'm making tutorial editing at F1022. Okay, so today I'm going to explain about sum in Oracle. Okay, so sum is part of Oracle SQL function. Okay, so before starting, so this is our staff payment goal database. So you can see over here, so this is the data inside the staff table. Okay, so we are got staff ID, staff name, and designations, salary, hire date, and age as well. Okay, so we are going to sum the salary part. Okay, let's do it. So this is the SQL commands. So this is where we type our SQL commands. Okay, so first of all, okay, so right now we want to calculate all the salary over here. So what is the SQL commands? Okay, so let's see. So first of all, we need to select sum. So what we are going to do? Okay, we are going to do sum from what? Okay, we are going to sum salary from staff table. So we just staff. So this, okay, so let's run. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so select sum salary from staff. So this is the total salary, 273,000. So this is the total salary in this salary. Okay, so this is the SQL commands that we use for calculate the sum. Okay, so and also we add with single field. Okay, so what is with single field? Okay, so let's say we want to know how much the total salary is above 3,000. Okay, so let's do the coding. If we want to know, okay, so again select the sum, which is salary. Okay, salary from what table? Okay, staff table. Where is the condition? So where the salary, okay, where the salary is more than 3,000. Okay, so let's click it. Okay, so we can see here 9100. So it means, so we just calculate the salary which is more than 3,000. So this is the SQL command for it. So this is the with with single field sum, and also we can add some of the coding such as S. So you can see over here. So before S, so we just select some salary. So the table, so this is the column. So we got some salary. So we want to change the name. So we just declare as S. Post office total salary. Okay, so let it run. Okay, so we can see over here, we can see the total salary. So the total salary is 9100. Okay, so we are done seeing how to calculate all the salary, and also how to calculate with single field salary with the column name. Okay, so next we are going to use distinct. Okay, so what is distinct? Okay, let's see. Okay, distinct is like kind of if there are two salaries of RM 2000, and only one of these values would be used in the sum functions. So for example, if I want to calculate the total salary, which is okay, first let me do the SQL command. So select sum, so in bracket we are going to add in int salary as first of is total salary from staff table, from staff, where salary more than 2000. Okay, so don't forget to put the semicolon. Okay, run. Okay, so we can see here the total salary is 228,050. So which means so where we will use these distinct methods. Okay, so where once again, so if there were two salaries of RM 2000 in the table, so only one of these values would be used in the sum function. So for this thing we use so this is the SQL command. Okay, so the next is using, okay, so we have using formula sum. So what is using formula? Okay, so using formula is the expression contained within the sum function does not need to be a single field. You could also use a formula. For example, we might want to calculate the total commission. Okay, so for example, so we can see over here you got the salary, so we want to calculate a total commission of the salary. So the coding would be select sum salary times by, for example, 5%, maybe half of the 2.5%, so we just going to go for 0.05. Okay, so as total salary. Okay, then from what table? So from staff, and don't forget to put a semicolon. Okay, so this is the total commission. So the total commission, so this is the normal simple basic mathematics, so which is it will calculate the total salary first, then it will multiply with 0.05 commission. So the total commission will display over here. So the total commission is 1365. So this is using formula sum. Okay, so the next method is using group by. Okay, so now we're going to see how to using group by. Okay, so before I explain, let's do with SQL command. So first, as usual, select. Okay, so now we are going to, so we can see the designation, so which is called president, manager, analyst, salesman. So now we are going to calculate the salary for the total manager, total analyst, total salesman, and president as well. So for it, the SQL command would be select designation sum of salary as the S part is not the required, so it's just additional for us. Okay, so from what table? From staff table, which is group by designation. Okay, and don't forget to put a semicolon. Okay, let's run. Okay, so we can see here we got 4 designations, so which is salesman, president, manager, and analyst. So now we are okay. So for the president, there will be only one president, which is the salary is 6,000. So the president of the total salary is 6,000, and also the total salary of salesman is 4,450, and manager is 8,250, and analyst is 8,600. So this is and this is the coding for group by. Okay, so I explain. Okay, let's revive. So I just explain about how to calculate all the salary and how to use with the single field, which means it is more than 2,000 or more than 3,000, something like that, and also using distinct. So using distinct is something whenever if there were two salaries of RM 2,000, so only one of these values would be used in the sum functions. And also using formula. So using formula is, for example, we want to calculate the commission of the salary, so we use the using formula function. And lastly, using group by. So this is the using group by. So whenever we have the same department or same destination, so it will calculate the total salary follow the destinations. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Nama saya SUZANA binti Abdul Wahab, nombor matri F1204. Ini saya ingin menerangkan cara update kita punya table. Dekat sini kita ada dua cara. Ini adalah table yang sedia ada. Cara yang pertama, saya mau update dia punya staff name. Saya mau tukar dia punya staff name daripada Kelly kepada nama lain. Okay, first kita pergi dekat SQL command, kita masukkan dia punya command update staff tu nama table, and then set dia punya nama kolom staff name, and kita letak dia punya
nama yang kita nak tukar. Contohnya macam saya letak nama Amira, and dekat where dekat mana kita punya nama tu, contohnya dekat staff ID, kita masukkan dia punya staff ID, and then kita run, and then kalau dia berjaya, kita pergi balik dekat kita punya table, dekat kita punya data, kita tengok kita punya staff name bertukar ke tak. Untuk cara yang kedua, saya terus nak tukar semua dia punya staff name, designation, salary, hire date dengan age. Tapi saya just update dia punya staff name, dia punya designation, salary dengan dia punya age. Okay, contohnya kita pergi dekat SQL command, kita masukkan dia punya update staff macam biasa, letak dia punya nama table, and kita set dia punya staff name. Lepas tu kita tukar dia punya nama kepada nama yang kita nak letak tu, and then salary, macam saya cakap, saya nak tukar dia punya salary, and then letak punya salary, kolom salary kita masukkan gaji berapa yang kita nak masukkan, and then dia punya age, macam saya nak tukarkan dia punya nama umur juga, and then saya masukkan dia punya age tu 40, and then where, macam sama, where di mana terletaknya tu, kita masukkan saja staff ID, number staff ID dia, and then kita run, and berbalik kepada kita punya browser tu, nak tengok kita punya data, and then kita go, and then kita tengok kita punya data bertukar ke tak. Contohnya dekat saya punya dah bertukar, saya punya staff name bertukar kepada Amran, dia punya salary saya letak 3,000 daripada tadi 2,000 berapa tak saya lupa, and then ni saya letak dia punya age, saya letak 40. Terima kasih daripada saya.